So Henry and I thought that we could provide a better product, a better KiwiSaver product than what was currently in the market back in 2012. So we designed a product that would strive for excellent performance and also quality customer service for both our members and our advisors. When we first started out, it was just me on the investment team. We outsourced a lot of our global equities to to external fund managers. So for example, when we first got underway, the bulk of our global equities was external fund managers. But now, as our team has grown, we now only have about 15% of the Focus Growth Fund, for example, in external funds. One thing that I'm particularly proud of was that Generate was the first KiwiSaver provider to invest into social housing. We're aware of 5 KiwiSaver or 5 fund managers that have followed our lead into the space, which is great to see. And we're also a market leader in private equity and venture capital as well. So yeah, you can probably sense that we certainly like to support Kiwi businesses and the wider community. We're a team of 10 in the investment team, and we've got 6 very experienced portfolio managers, 3 analysts, and a investment operations specialist. So we're a pretty small team compared to some of the others in the market, but we think our track record speaks for itself. Our general philosophy is that markets are inefficient and that a diversified, actively managed portfolio of assets can exploit those inefficiencies. We take a multi-manager approach whereby our funds invest into a wholesale layer of funds, which we think makes a lot of sense given you want the diversification of those funds. Although the vast majority of our investments are done directly, we also bring in some expertise through external funds for the likes of private equity, venture capital and emerging markets. We integrate ESG investing into our investment process. Not only do we have a list of exclusions, the likes of manufacturers of nuclear weapons, anti-personnel mines and tobacco, but we also endeavour to engage with corporates when we see ESG risks during our investment analysis of the company. The main reason we take this overall approach to responsible investment is that we think the worst performers are likely to experience a volatility of cash flows over the long term and also have a higher discount rate and lower valuation applied to their shares. So one area of ESG investing where we have stood out is on impact investments. As I mentioned earlier, we were the first KiwiSaver provider to invest into social housing via a $20 million investment into a Salvation Army bond, which financed 3 social housing developments. So we are also a major shareholder of New Zealand's largest air ambulance service. Which that helps Kiwis when they need it most. We're also a material investor into both listed and unlisted renewable energy here in New Zealand and in the US. There's a lot of choice out there for advisors and investors alike. So having a quality online tool like this can be a big help for those advisors and investors to get access to quality fund managers. We've supported a number of worthy causes over the years, but we hope to be part of long-term partnerships with with two charities. They are Live Ocean and Spirit of Adventure. So we've partnered with Live Ocean for a few years now. They're doing the great work that they do with their marine conservation, but our partnership with Spirit of Adventure is a more recent development, whereby we make an annual donation to them, but we also hold prize draws, whereby the winners of those prize draws get to go on voyages on the Spirit of Adventure for free. We've got a strong long-term track record. Since our Focused Growth Fund and our Moderate Fund have clocked up 10-year track records, they've been one of the top performing funds in their categories, if not the top performing fund. The other thing that we're very proud of is our customer service. We've had award-winning customer service for some time now. The other thing that we really focus on is, with the help of our advisors, really trying to empower our clients and educate them. When a member comes on board with Generate, the overwhelming majority sit down with an advisor. Now this means that nearly 83% of our membership is sitting in growth funds, compared to the wider industry where it's only 47%. Now this is something we're really proud of. A lot of members have been wallowing in conservative funds for many years for no good reason, up until they came to Generate. Yeah, so we know a lot of advisors and clients want to have access to more than one fund manager for their KiwiSaver investment, and Goldwater is a great way to do that.